your feet.
Uh-huh.
Verse 15. Mark my words. On the day of judgment, the wicked people who lived in the land of Sodom and Gomorrah will have a lesser degree of judgment than the city that rejects you.
They're unacceptable. They can judge you. The moment they withdraw their peace and say, it's judgment. It's judgment. You think, hey, no. An unacceptable person can judge you when they withdraw their peace and shake the dust. And shake the dust. You're going to become worse than Sodom and Gomorrah. But you didn't see the danger there. Mark my words. Meaning this will happen. Whether they like it or not. If they reject you. That's why you must rejoice when people reject you. You must rejoice when people fail to love you. They are already judged. You are not easily loved by anyone. For people to love you, they must be deserving. If they don't deserve, they can't love you. They must be deserving to love you because you are unacceptable. You don't go anywhere and be accepted everywhere. It takes people with discernment to discern the kind of a person you are. Shake the dust. Khalili Sodom and Gomorrah. Akusunkulunkulu. Wena ngumuntu onyabonga. Onang reject. No problem. My peace come back. You go. That's why some areas you can go to them. If you can say, let me leave this place, people can die. People can die. Families can die. Simply by rejecting the unacceptable. Inzima, ne? I call it ways. Ngati fairy tale. Ngati ni? Fairy tale.
Mark my words.
Yamuvu uthini Jesu? Uthi mark. Mark. Agada amagama wami. Uthi agada amagama wami kuzoyenzeka. Let's go.
Mark my words. On the day of judgment, the wicked
imagine on the day of judgment. Ulindele ukuthi uNkulunkulu akujudge. uNkulunkulu at the judgment yakho you rejected the unacceptable. You rejected the person I've sent to you. You chased them out of your house. Yabona uyimakho uthini uJesu? Akuso Paul, akuso John. uJesu uqobo lakho uthisha lemfihlakalo uthi ngelanga le judgment uzothola ukuthi wena ujudgwe ukurejecta.
Hlulelo ukwala.
And sometimes the rejection iqala ngokukhuluma bad.
Khuluma kabi.
About the unacceptable.
Ngalo ngamkeleki.
Not being aware.
Unganakile.
He's shaking his dust off.
Uthi uthini thuthu.
He's telling himself ngiyaphuma kulo muntu.
Yazikhipha.
Let's go.
Mark my words. On the day of judgment, the wicked people who lived in the land of Sodom and Gomorrah will have a lesser degree of judgment
Sure.
than the city that rejects you.
It's not an ordinary person.
Akusumuntu ojwayelekile.
Akusiba lo ulo muntu ophase le principle yakumake you tell without extra purse, without any wallast, without extra clothes. That person qualifies to judge a city.
Lo muntu lo ufanele ukuthi ahlulele isizwe.
A city.
Idolobha
Yeah,
indawo.
idolobha. By shaking the dust off.
Ukuthintisa nje uthuli.
Yabona abazali benu bathi nabanjaja bekathatha isitsha agcwalisa amanzi. athi ngiwasha izandla ngawo Yesu uyangibona ngiyazigeza namuhla uyangibona ngiyazigeza uyabona bebayenza njalo ngisho ngigezela izandla namuhla wena ungihlulile Yesu ngigezela izandla uyabona lamazinya wachitha. That's how they used to judge you.
indlela bebahlulela ngayo.
That's why some problems azami ngoba bakwashela izandla. Lo washa izandla kusho ukuthi angisafuni ukuthinta anything engihlanganisa nawo. Ngiphuma kuwe. Imagine now when you realized, oh,
Cabanga amasobo.
this person is undeserving.
Umuntu lo akafanele.
Let me shake the dust off.
Sintsinto uthuthule.
Let me shake the dust off.
Sintsinto uthuthule.
Ngiyaphuma kule mpilo yalo muntu. I'm out.
Yaphuma.
And let's wait for the final result.
Asilindeleni umphumela wokugcina.
And now you can have the impression that because yesterday you were with Moses and you prophesied with Moses, tomorrow you might not do it anymore. It might be dust. Let's go.
The wicked people who lived in the land of Sodom and Gomorrah will have a lesser degree of judgment than the city that rejects you. For the people of Sodom and Gomorrah did not have the opportunity that was given to them.
Meaning you had an opportunity. When you rejected the unacceptable. Not knowing that they are coming with peace. They are coming to remove all the distresses that are in your life as a result of sin. Now you begin to speak, not being aware. You become undeserving. Put a finger there. Jump to verse 40. Prepare message vision, version with faith. Tata to verse 40, 41, the same chapter.
Verse 40. Whoever receives you, receives me.
Pinned.
Whoever receives you, receives me. And whoever receives me, receives the one who sent me.
The undeserving. It's not easy to see that they are coming with the Lord Jesus Christ. That's why you'll misunderstand them. You'll misjudge them. You'll confuse them with demons. You'll compare them with Satanists, not knowing you are becoming undeserving. Judgment is on its way. Repeat. Amplified Classic. Yeah, Amplified Classic. It has 2 parts of Classic. Say, I love you, Jesus. Say, I love you, Lord. Imagine people don't want to accept you. They mistreat you. They do this. They speak bad about you in your street. Backzonda. Not being aware, not even realizing you are not an ordinary person. You are unacceptable. Uvela nje backzonda from being a young child. You did that. They just automatically hate you. Because that smell, that fragrance of being an unacceptable person, they can't understand you. They can't understand. And when I find why me abantu bangangifuni? Why me abantu? You are going to put yourself in trouble. You're going to fight to be accepted by people. God designed you to be unacceptable. Be content with it. Be happy about that. There's nothing wrong about you. You are unacceptable. You are unacceptable. You are not ordinary. People love ordinary things. People love what they understand. People love what they know. But they hate what they do not know. They hate what they cannot control. They hate what they cannot put their finger on. Don't be troubled when people hate you for no reason. As long as you know, they automatically hate you. When they see you, they are troubled. Anger boils within them. Who is this person? How did they become this way? Read.
Verse 40 with Amplified Classic. He who receives and welcomes and accepts you, receives and welcomes and accepts me. And
receives and welcomes. Receives and welcomes.
And he who receives and welcomes and accepts me, receives and welcomes and accepts him who sent me.
It's a principle. It's a principle. We are calling one Jesus woman you want to know. Ask your neighbor what we are calling one Jesus woman you want to know. It's impossible. That's how people miss the unacceptable people. And they begin to receive many who are called and miss the few that are chosen. Because the few that are chosen, when God selects them, that hatred in people automatically happens. Because God has selected them. How do you know that you are chosen by God? When people can't accept you. That's how you know you are chosen. They hate you for no reason. Because you are chosen. You are unique.